camera. There we go, over in the middle. Letters.
Hello.
All right, you're number 1 today. You're the first one. Who else? Where are the other girls? Where are they? Did you get to go outside this weekend? Did you get to play outside? Was it nice weather?
No.
You didn't go outside and play?
Yes.
Is it sunny out?
It's not sunny.
No, no sun? Oh. Where's the rest? Oh, here's Ariel. Okay, so number 2 will be Ariel. And here comes Amelia.
Progress.
Okay, Amelia's here. And I see Ariel's name. Okay. Ooh, and who are we missing? Oh, we're missing Mila. Okay. Oh, Ariel's eating a snack. Ariel's eating a snack. Where is, who are we missing? We're missing Mila. Mila.
I know. It's Mila.
I know, I'm sending her a message.
That's Tiana with me.
Anna.
Oh, cute. Anna. Yeah. All right. Mila's not here yet. Okay. What happened? Oh no, my computer. Okay, there we go. All right. Did everyone have a good weekend? Did you guys go outside? Did you go outside and play? Who got to go outside and play this weekend? Did you have a good weekend?
Me.
Yeah. It's getting nicer.
Yeah.
Getting nicer.
Again.
Yeah, pretty soon the pool will open up. It'll be nice.
Yeah, we can go.
Yeah. I'm excited. All right. Now today, do that up, Burial. Okay. So now today,
Let's go. What is this glass?
okay, so today we're making a picture with the blue paper. Uh-oh.
Let's go frutas.
The blue paper, light blue.
No. Stop.
What do you have to say, Ariel? What do you have to say?
Frutas.
We're not doing a princess today. We're doing the one with the tree. The tree. See, here's the tree.
She said she went strawberry picking.
Oh, fun! That is exciting. I love doing that. That's a great time.
And I look for if you're so
Wait, strawberry? Hold on. The strawberry in Spanish is
I see chickens.
Oh, yeah, you saw baby chicks.
They had baby chicks there too. Oh, so
And,
this,
and
the
I
grid.
saw all the worms, and I gift them, and I gift them worms.
Did you get lots of strawberries? You get
Yeah.
lots of strawberries? Yeah.
But I want the blueberries too.
Oh yeah, blueberries.
Yes, but those are not in.
Papa.
Okay, girls. So you're gonna need glue to glue down your stuff on your paper. Do you have glue? Do you have your glue stick or glue bottle? Because you're gonna need it to glue that grass down in that tree. Yeah, Sasha, punch that out of there. That's your beautiful tree for your project. Be careful when you do it. And then crayons or markers. I just have my crayons to color and details today.
Wow, how those colors.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a rainbow.
Let me take it out. I got it.
Yeah, you can do it. Do it yourself. You can do it yourself. Punch it out of the paper like Sasha's doing. I did mine already. I punched mine out of the paper. See my tree?
Look, Ms.Julie.
Hey, you did it. Good job.
Punch your tree out.
You only... All right. I don't know where maybe Mila took today off. I'm not sure. But let's just start. Oh, and there was 2 stickers. There was 2 stickers with it. There were bird stickers. We're gonna put on our tree. I have a blue and a yellow. You might have a red or a pink. I don't know if everyone has the same colors. Okay, let's start. Saisha was the first one today. So. Oh, we're not coloring yet, Saisha. We're putting it to the side. We will do our craft in a few minutes after we review.
Mine's out.
Okay, good job. Awesome. There is a friend who's here today, and Saisha is her name. S-A-I, S-H-A, S-A-I, S-H-A, S-A-I, S-H-A. We're happy Saisha's here today. Number 2 on the screen was
Where's Mila?
not here yet. I don't know. Maybe she's sleeping. I don't know. There is a friend who's here today. Amelia is her name. Oh, A-M-E-L-I-A. 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 We're happy Amelia's here today. Number
Baby.
3 was Ariel. There is a friend who's here today, and Ariel is her name. Oh, A-R-I-E-L. 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 We're happy Ariel's here today. All right, guys, that was... So Ariel shared what she did outside in nature this weekend. She went strawberry picking. That's awesome. I like to do that too, but by my house where I live, it's not strawberry time yet. We have to wait till June. We have to wait 2 more months till it's strawberry picking. Amelia too. Amelia lives near Ms.Julie. We have to wait a little bit
And
longer
I need to wait
strawberries.
for the blueberries.
Oh yeah.
Doodles.
Yeah, you're gonna go back.
And on Valentine.
You're gonna go back and pick blueberries when they're ready. Yeah, me too. That's.
It's Christmas.
They'll be happy to
Holy
see you.
sweet.
They'll be happy to see you when it's time to pick the blueberries. Oh, Mila's coming right now. Here's Mila. She's coming right now. Okay, guys. Today is April. We're almost done with April. Can you believe it? April's going to be done this week. We only have a couple more days left in the month of April. And this is the number we're on today. Raise your hand if you know what this number is. With the
16.
good guess, but
16.
good guess, Ariel, but it's not 16. 16 would be the 1 in the 6. This says 2. What?
40.
Maybe Amelia knows. Amelia, do you know what number this is?
No.
Okay, Ms.Julie will tell you. When we have a 2 and a 0 is 20, right? 2 and a 0 is 20. So now we're going to count. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Oh, 26.
26. Let's go. 27, 28, 29,
30.
30. Awesome. High five all the way to Ariel. Awesome. You did great job, Ariel.
Daddy.
Yes. Okay, what comes after 30? 31, 32. Everybody count with us. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Very good again, Ariel. 40. 4 and a 0 is 40. Oh, I don't see Sasha. Mila, you gonna count with us? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Ariel, what comes after 49? 5th? Do you know? What? Okay. So we're working on our numbers. I'm gonna have to. Okay, we're working on our numbers, friends. So we were working on our numbers. I want everybody to grab a marker or crayon, whatever you have. Do you have a crayon or marker? Mila, you got a crayon, a pencil? Okay. Now, Miss Julie gave you guys the paper today. The tree. Do you have the tree picture? Daisha, we're gonna work on writing some numbers right now. Okay. Very good. So here's our tree picture for today. We're learning about nature still. Hold on, Amelia. Amelia, we're gonna do the back first, then we'll do the front. So turn it over. We're gonna write on the back. Okay, Sasha, where's your crayon and marker, pencil? All right, Ariel, do you have your paper? Ariel. Okay, guys, we're gonna work on writing some of our letters. Okay. Ariel, do you want your marker board? Do you want to write your ABCs with me? Okay. Get your marker board so you can write your ABCs with me. All right, so Miss Julie's gonna write a letter, and I want you guys to write it, okay? And if you know the letter, you can say it, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna work on our letters, Sasha. What letter is this one? I know you do, Sasha. What letter is that?
B.
Very good. Capital or big uppercase B. Everyone.
B for Ben.
B for Ben. Very good, Mila. That's a good example. Her father's name starts with letter B, capital B. Let's have you write a B on paper.
Like my dad.
Okay. And now the lowercase b looks like that. Small b. Ariel, can you put down your marker and pick it back up for me? I want you to hold the marker the right way, Ariel. You gotta practice.
Next to B? This is
Big B, small b. Balloon. Baby. Ariel has a baby at her house.
No, this is
All
straight.
right.
Straight.
Let's erase. Let's do another letter. Basketball.
Ben.
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 Very good.
Dad.
Yes. Thank you.
Amelia, what letter did I write?
I don't remember.
You don't remember that one? Okay, Mila does. Mila, what letter did I write? Mila, look at the screen. What letter did I write?
This.
What is the image?
Very good, Mila. Did you hear her? Amelia, it's letter T for turtle. Daisha, letter T. Letter T for turtle. T for turkey. Oh, very good. Look at your letters. You're doing great, Amelia. Ariel, T for tomatoes. Okay, now we're in the lowercase t. Small t. Small t. T for tiptoe. You walk on your tiptoes. Yeah. Tiptoes like a ballerina. And that's really things you're making. Okay. How about my letter for my name. Big J,
Cooking.
uppercase J. J.
Hey,
Very good, Ariel. Good job. I saw you did awesome. Amelia, let's see your J. I see a lot of letters. Very good, Amelia. And now what would lowercase small j look like?
Like that thing?
That's a big one. Let me show you small j. Small j is small with a little dot on top.
Yeah, okay. Da.
Mila, show me your writing. Pull up your paper, Mila. Ariel's doing great. You might need to erase, Ariel. You got a lot going on there. And very good. I see your small lowercase.
can you show teacher your writing?
I see you're using pencils, Mila.
Yep.
Who knows what letter was our letter last week? Letter. What was our letter last week? Who remembers? What letter is that? Ariel, do you know what this letter is? X. X marks the spot. X for the treasure. Right? Remember, we didn't have too many words with X-ray. X. Yeah, now look at X is just big like that, and small x looks the same. X. Small x and big X. One's just smaller. Okay. How about we do the friends' names? Okay. We have two friends that start with capital A. Write your capital A for me. Show Miss Julie you know how to do big A. Ariel and Amelia start with our letter A. A for Ariel. A for Amelia.
Yours?
No.
Hey.
Mila has an A at the end of her name. Mila, you have small a. Let's write
You
small
have a
a on
small
there.
A. Can you do a big A? Can you daddy draw right
Lowercase
here?
a.
Trace the line.
Small a and big A.
Can you trace it?
Aisha, you have an A in your name too. You have a good job. You're working hard. See? A. All right. How about Mila's name? What letter does Mila's name start with? M. M. I'm gonna make a small M.
I don't know how to make it small.
Yes, very good. The capital M would be for your name. Big M or uppercase letter M. M and small m. That's how it goes.
I want my
Ariel, do you know how to make a letter M? Amelia, you have an M in your name. You have the small letter M in your name. A-M-E-L-I-A, Amelia.
I'll find that shit.
Mila, let's see your capital M. Can you show me, Mila? Oh, she fell over. It fell over. I know, right? She must not have had enough noodles today. She fell over. All right. 2 more letters, friends, because we're working on our letters. We're almost at the end of the alphabet. Do you know that? We're almost at the end. We're almost at Z. Yeah, we're almost at the end. What's this letter?
W.
Very good, Sasha. Yes, W. Water. Whale. Window.
Watermelon.
Very good, Sasha. Hey, are you drawing people again? Ariel's drawing us some characters, maybe some princesses. She's doing some artwork there. All right, guys. Good job with your writing. All right. Now, last week we were talking about what? keeping our earth clean, right? We had Earth Day. Do you remember?
No.
Who remembers Earth Day last week?
I remember.
Good job. Thank you, Saisha. All right, so we were talking about Earth Day and things we need to do to keep our planet, our oceans clean.
No, me.
Can I see it, Amelia? What are you showing me? What are you going to show me, Amelia? Oh, you don't want to talk about it? All right, so turn your paper over. We're talking about the tree now.
Eric, I need to flip it over.
Yeah, we're going to do the front of the tree now.
I forgot.
Okay, so we're going to learn about the tree and why we need to keep the tree healthy. Ariel, do you have your paper? Mila's got hers. Good job, Mila. Okay, guys. So this is the parts of the tree. What is the top called? What grows on the tree? They turn colors.
Yeah.
Leaves. Leaves. Oh, apples too. I like that. So the bottom here is the words. There's the words at the bottom. See, it says leaves. What is the middle part that holds the tree up? Anyone know? Called the trunk of the tree. You've heard that before? The trunk? Yeah, that's the big middle part. The squirrels climb up the trunk of the tree. They go up to the top. Now, if a bird made a house in the tree, where would they make the house at? Where would they make a house on the tree? Amelia, have you seen a bird make a house in the tree?
No.
You've never seen a bird's nest? A bird nest? No? Would they have their house down on the ground?
No.
No, up in the top, right? And these pieces sticking out are called branches. Branches, yes. So there's branches and the leaves and the trunk, and then the bottom part that grows in the ground is this R word down here called roots. Can you all say that?
Then it has to go up.
Yeah, it grows. Very good. Saisha, did you see the picture of the tree? We're talking about the words on the bottom are the parts of the tree.
Yes.
And this is important because we have to keep our trees healthy too. So if you guys want to take your scissors, if you have some nearby, you can cut those little, look at Ms. Julie's going to show you. You can cut the square on the bottom with the words, and you can put them in the spots on the tree.
I want to.
You have scissors?
Papa.
Ariel's coloring. Good job, Ariel. That's great coloring. But you also can cut those words out. And Ms. Julie will show you. I got my scissors right here. And look.
No, let me cut first.
I'm cutting across the line. Mila, you want to make the tree with me?
Make it first.
You want to color it first, or you going to find the words?
I'm going to color first.
Okay. Ariel's coloring. Saisha, you coloring, or are you going to cut the words out?
I color.
You're coloring. Good job. You do. Oh, lots of color. Maybe it's time for you to get your scissors so you can cut the words out.
Yes.
We're talking about the parts of the tree. We got to keep the tree healthy for the birds and the bees to make their homes in the tree.
ट्री काट सकते हैं
Hmm?
अपने ट्री सीजर से काट कर सकते हैं
You have to cut this?
Yeah, Ms. Julie कह रही है कि you have to cut this. Let's do it.
How you have to cut this?
Yeah. बस Julie लाइन ही कट करना है.
Oh, okay. Line cut करना है.
The words, we're cutting out the words to label our tree. This one I'm holding up now says leaves and branches. Mila's got her scissors. Okay, and Amelia's doing a great job coloring. Now, why is this important? Because the animals live in the tree, right? They don't live in houses like we do or apartments. Their home is the tree. So,
नहीं cut करना.
let me show you. I put my words on my paper just now. I'm going to show you, girls. Here's my paper. Here's what it looks like.
Hmm?
This one goes at the top. Leaves, branches where the bird puts their nest,
इसको stick करना है.
trunk, And the one at the bottom is called the root. That's where it grows.
देखो सिखा सकते हो कि ये किसमें जाएगा ये किसमें जाएगा ये किसमें
Oh,
जाएगा
Mila has a nice unicorn dress on today. Mila, I love your unicorn dress. Are you cut? Did you glue your? You cut. I saw you had scissors, Mila. Are you gonna glue the words on your picture?
green
Ariel's coloring. She's almost done coloring.
Here.
Ariel's got her scissors. I see them, Ariel. They're yellow.
Branches. Branches of gray here and leaves.
Yeah.
Okay.
So not only is it nice to keep our planet clean for us, but we need to keep our planet clean for the animals. We talked about the ocean, and now we're going to talk about the trees and the plants. All right. I have to color mine a little bit. Does anyone want to tell me what does the tree do for us? Does anybody know? If we have trees, what do they do?
What does tree do for us?
I know it's tricky. It is a tough one, right?
I know.
You know? Okay, tell me.
The bus tree में nest बनाते हैं. I know how to type.
What does tree do for us? You're talking to Sasha.
I am listening to this.
Tree gives us fruits, right?
Yes, I love that idea. Did you guys hear? Some of the trees grow different fruit. Like Amelia said about the apple tree already. So it's good we can grow trees. And where Sasha and Ariel and Mila live, you can grow orange trees. Who has orange trees near them? Mila, you have any orange trees near you? Orange trees or pineapples grow where it's warm out. They're on a bush, pineapple bush. And mangoes. Mangoes is a fruit that grows on a tree. So there's lots of things you can get food from trees, and trees help our air stay clean, give us fresh air. And they also are a home for the animals, right? Birds and bees. So there is our tree picture. Yeah, we're gonna do that next, okay, Amelia? I'm gonna put my tree diagram to the side. All right, friends.
Then we put the stickers on.
Yeah, we're gonna do the stickers. Yes, I got my 2 bird stickers too. All right, so first thing is, so we're gonna move on to our picture with blue paper, girls. I was just talking a little bit about the tree because it's still important part of our earth, and we're still talking about keeping stuff. So you got the tree, Amelia. So you got your tree here. You want to color your tree like this, and then you can put your birds on there. And then you got your grass. This is pretty fun. I like this one.
I got it now.
Amelia, Ariel, do you have your grass and your tree? We're gonna put our tree on our paper. I'm gonna color my tree trunk brown, the trunk, and then the top I'm gonna make my, your tree can have different color leaves. It doesn't have to be green. It could be in the fall time. They could have yellow leaves and brown. Okay, yes, good job, Ariel. She's gluing her grass to her paper. There's no right or wrong way. You just put your grass on your paper, and then you put the tree. Oh, look, see, my tree is green and brown. I'm gonna glue mine to my paper. And then I'm gonna put the birds on my tree. We have bird stickers. Good job, Ariel. And Amelia's coloring the trunk of her tree.
Yes, I am.
Good. Hard work. I'm gonna put my
I
tree
hear this my trunk.
All right, now I'm gonna put the grass down on my paper too. I've got my green grass. Ariel's going great, no assistance. Mila's has a little bit of help, good job. All right, I'm gonna put my green grass down on my paper too. The tree in the grass. See? The green grass grows all around, all around. The green grass grows all around. All right, put your tree on there, Ariel. You're doing great. And then I'm going to put my birds on my tree, right? Because the birds live in the tree. It's their home.
This one, this one.
And then I'm going to make a sunshine or a rainbow or a cloud, however I want. Everybody's is going to look a little different, and they're all going to look great. And Mila's got, what do you have, Mila? A marker, a crayon or something? Or is it glue? Okay. Here's my birds. I put my birds in the top of my tree, in the leaves.
Birds.
I have to make a bird now.
Oh, yeah. Good idea. Put your birds in there.
You have birds?
Do you want a bird? You want to make a bird nest? You can draw one.
You can make a nest here. Okay?
Make a bird nest. Draw करके
I'm going to draw a suntan and a cloud on my paper because the tree needs sunlight and water to grow. I'm going to draw a sunshine and I'm going to draw a cloud.
I'm not doing the sunshine either.
Yeah, Mr. Sun.
I'm not doing the Mr. Sun. Papa class, I'm draw कर सकते हो मैं कलर कर दूंगी.
Okay.
Mr. Sun. Sun. It's sunny by my house today.
आप मेरे sun भी बना सकते हो.
And it warmed up outside.
Yeah, well, it warmed up outside really fast.
It's going to be nice out tomorrow. You better go outside tomorrow and play.
Yeah. Wink.
Beautiful. Good job, Ariel. Look, I put a sunshine.
Wow.
Do you want to draw a rainbow, Ariel? You should draw a rainbow, Ariel. Or you know what? One of my friends in my other class drew a butterfly. They drew a butterfly by their tree this morning. And a bumblebee, because bumblebees fly around near the trees too. Who wants to draw a bumblebee? I got my black marker. I'm going to draw a bumblebee.
I'm not a bumblebee.
You're not a fan? You're not a fan of the bumblebee?
Nope.
I'm going to draw a bumblebee.
I'm not a fan of
Good job, Ariel. A rainbow. Yep, that's what I told you. Said you should draw a rainbow. Did I draw a butterfly too? There's my bumblebee.
Draw a butterfly in the sun. On the pencil.
Maybe a butterfly.
Is there a butterfly? And I can do Mama.
A butterfly and a bumblebee.
Look.
Oh, I love yours. Very sunny. Very sunny. And then I put a butterfly. The butterfly's flying over the grass.
Bumblebee, butterflies.
Gleaming.
Are you singing a song, Ariel? I got a song. I have a song to share with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna share my song with you guys. You guys keep coloring and working hard. So I have a song about the tree, and it's a good song. And I learned this one when I was in preschool. So it's been around a long time. It's about the tree. So let me see if I can share the song with my friends.
Orange कर दे.
Awesome. Wow, you did great job. You took your time.
कर दे.
Amelia took her time with her tree. I love it. Here comes the song.
Oh, he
Into the song, please.
Let's see where the song went. And
Papa, stay for the
here it comes. Who can hear the song?
Yummy.
All around, all around. Can you hear it?
No.
Listen. I think Ariel can.
I hear it.
In the hole in the ground. All around, the green grass grows all around. What happened?
I hear it. I hear it. I hear it.
The prettiest tree that you ever did see. Tree, seed in a hole in the ground. Green all around. The green grass grows all around. On that tree, branch, the prettiest branch.
In my hair. Tree.
And seed in the hole in the ground. All around, the green grass grows all around. On that branch, a nest. Prettiest nest that you ever did see. Oh, the nest on the branch. Tree in the seed in the hole in the ground. Green grass grows all around. What was in the nest? Bird. Prettiest bird that you ever did see. Bird in the nest on the branch, on the tree. Seed in the seed, hole in the ground. Grass grows all around. The green grass grows all around. Grows all around. Green grass grows all around. Yay! That was a great song. Did you guys ever hear that one before? Have you?
No.
Oh no, it was a new song?
No, I hear it.
You've heard it before? Good, I'm glad. You're still adding more to your picture, Ariel? Mila, I saw Amelia was gluing hers down. Great work. Did you make a sunshine?
Mila.
Rainbow or a bumblebee? Mila loved the song. She was dancing. Mila, hold up your paper and show me your hard work. Okay, high five you too, but show me your paper, you beg. No, not that one, the one with the green grass. The one you were just gluing, Mila. The bird one. This one. Show me this one. Show me yours. You were doing a good job, Mila. No? Oh, you were just coloring on the other one. Oh, Sasha, you did awesome details. And Amelia's still working. She's putting her stickers now. Ariel, did you put your stickers on yours? Ariel, did you get your stickers on your tree? Yeah? Are you going to draw a rainbow now? Wow. Oh, there. Amelia's is great. I love it. Go put some butterflies. What is that?
Look, Ms.Julie.
What is that, Amelia?
Can I feel you?
Oh, the words go on the other one. They go on this one, Amelia. They go on this one. Because there's the little rectangles. Yes, Aisha, you added lots of details. I love yours. Oh, Ariel, great work today. Okay, so the little rectangles go on this page, guys. All right. Okay, friends, we are going to be out of time. I want everyone to go outside if it's beautiful by you, okay? Because it's sunny by me. If it's sunny by you, get outside. Get some exercise. Look for flowers or birds and ways you can have fun outside in the springtime. Because it's all going to be warm weather by all of us soon. And we should be outside and play, okay? tomorrow we have more crafts with flowers and nature. Okay. And we're gonna work on our alphabet some more, friends. We've got to be working on our ABCs. You guys are getting super smart. So if you want to work on, we're gonna do this one of these in class tomorrow. But I sent you 2 of them, different ones. All right. So we're gonna work on that. And everybody have a good rest of your day. And I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you, Sasha. Great. Bye, Ariel. Bye, Amelia. Bye, Mila. Good job, everybody. You guys are awesome today. Great work.